A single weekend can change the way you travel forever. Adventure no longer waits for long vacations. Every city has a story. Why stop at just one? Travel isn't about having more time. It's about using it wisely. Smarter planning creates unforgettable journeys. Your next adventure begins long before takeoff. Every mile should be worth the journey. One weekend, multiple cities, endless memories. How to plan a multi-city trip in a weekend by The Travel Lab. Get your copy now.